Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Zarchiver and granting the app access to your files so it can read and write. Once done, navigate to the folder that contains the zip or RAR. Make sure you can see the archive size and modification date. Tap the archive to inspect file names and folders. This is important so you don't overwrite existing files. If the archive shows nested folders, note the top-level path. Now you're ready to choose the extraction target and method. You should long press the archive or tap its menu and select Extract to see options. This determines where files land. Choose Extract here for quick access, or Extract to and pick a folder for organization. If you want each archive separated, enable Create Folder. Make sure to toggle overwrite or skip duplicates depending on whether you want existing files replaced. If the archive is password protected, enter the password now. These choices control file paths and prevent clutter, so decide before extraction begins. You'll watch the progress bar as Zarchiver extracts files. Larger or many small files can take time, so be patient. Once finished, open the destination to confirm file structure and permissions. Make sure media apps can read the files. If extraction fails, check free storage and retry. Corrupted downloads cause errors, so re-download if needed. When a password is wrong, the app reports it. Double-check characters. Finally, if problems persist, try extracting on a PC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.